tēnā koutou e whama, get the tamariki in the kauta because today we are going to be making my hedgehog slice. And as they say in MasterChef, we're going to do it two ways. There is no baking involved and it is so easy to do. And I'm going to send this off to Fish and Jody and their 4 tamariki. Now, Fish and Jody lived with their whānau in China for around 15 years. And in November 2020, Fish got a really terrible brain hemorrhage and they've been trying to come home and heal him here. And it has been such a long ordeal and they are finally home. And so this is going to be a little welcome home package. A hedgehog slice is full of texture and beautiful flavour. No condensed milk in my one, I'm just doing it with a bit of a chocolatey vibe. First option is to do a hokey pokey variation. And then the second one, we're going to do it into a marshmallow slice. Kāti, me tīmata tātou, let's get started. Koine ngā kai ka whakamahia e tātou, here are the ingredients you need. Kia kotahi rau whitu te kau karamu te akarete parori, 170 grams of dark chocolate. Kia ono te kau mārima karamu pata, 65 grams of butter. Kia toru kokonui miere kaura, 3 tablespoons of golden syrup. Kia rua kokonui kōkō, 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Kia kotahi rau waru te kau karamu pihikete, 180 grams of biscuits. Kia haurua kapu pihi tāhio, half a cup of pistachios. Kia haurua kapu peanutty te akarete, half a cup of chocolate peanuts. Kia rua hautoru kapu krani pere, 2/3 of a cup of cranberries. Kia kotahi kapu kokonati puti, 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Kia haurua kapu paramu tauraki teo, half a cup of freeze-dried plums. Kia hautoru kapu pata peanutty, 1/3 of a cup of peanut butter. Me tīmata tātou, let's get started. Into a bowl, add our te akarete parori, pata, miere kaura and kōkō and place it over a pot of barely simmering water. All you're doing is just mixing it until it becomes luscious and shiny. That is perfect. Now you just want to leave that to the side. And now, tapahia ngā pihikete, chop the biscuits. Add them to a bowl. Tapahia ngā pihi tāhio. Chop the pistachios. Tapahia ngā peanutty te akarete. Tapahia ngā karani pere. Chop the cranberries. Add them in along with your kokonati puti. Tapahia ngā paramu tauraki teo. Add them in and then pour in the ranunga te akarete. Along with the pata peanutsy. How good does that look? All my life. Whakaranu here, mix it to combine. Ka pai. So that is our base, our mixture all done. Chop some stuff, melt some stuff. Whakaranu here, mix it together and it is all finished. Now I want to show you, you can go in 2 different directions from this stage. Ko te kōwhiri ngā tuatahi, your first choice is to do it in a slightly smaller tin, 23 centimetres by 21 centimetres-ish, and then we're going to add some hokey pokey vibes. Ooh yeah. Kia hauwha kapu creamy, 1/4 cup of cream. Kia kotahi rau rima te kau karamu te akarete honeycomb, 150 grams of hokey pokey chocolate. Kia whitu te kau karamu te akarete parori, 70 grams of dark chocolate. Kia hautoru kapu peanutty te akarete, 1/3 of a cup of chocolate peanuts. Kia hauwha kapu rare honeycomb, 1/4 cup of honeycomb bites. So before we add our delicious topping, we want to take our amazing mixture and press it into our tin and refrigerate for 20 minutes. Now we add our te akarete parori me te akarete honeycomb, creamy, and add it to a pot of simmering water. Just until lovely and melted and united together. Spread it onto your chilled base. Looking good. Now we chop up our rare honeycomb. These are covered in chocolate, so they are perfect for this topping. And then we add our peanutty te akarete, our chocolate peanuts. Sprinkle them over and then refrigerate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. And then time to chop up this baby. Oh yeah, look at those layers, so good. Te reka hoki, delicious. Ka pai te whānau, so our hokey pokey version is all finished. Ko oti pai te mahi, I nāianei, and now we move on to te kōwhiringa tuarua, our second option, which is our māngohe, our marshmallow. Kia haurua kapu wai, half a cup of water. Kia rua kokonui powder te tepe, 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder. Kia kotahi kapu huka one, 1 cup of caster sugar. Kia hautoru kapu mire koura, 1/3 of a cup of golden syrup. Kia haurua kapu wai, half a cup of water. Kia rua kokoiti wanira, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Kia haurua kapu rahi pere tauraki tio, half a cup of freeze-dried raspberries. Kia whitu te kau karamu te akarete kua rewa, 70 grams of melted chocolate. Add your powder te tepe and wai to a bowl. Kaurori here, stir it up and leave it to the side. Now to a bowl, add your mire kaura, huka one, and second measure of wai, and you want to bring this to a boil. Once it reaches 112 degrees, remove it from the heat and add it slowly to the gelatin mixture as you continue to whip. You're going to whip it for about 5 minutes in total. And it does really start off quite weird and looks kind of green from the mere coda, but after 3 minutes add your wanira and it starts to change. And look at it, it turns into this beautiful meringue looking deliciousness. And now onto your base that has been pressed into the tin and set for about 20 minutes. Sprinkle over some rahi pere tauraki tio and add your māngohe. You want to set this in the fridge for about 20 minutes as well. And then it looks like this, and I love to toast it because I love toasted marshmallow. Then I drizzle over some te akarete, pihi tāhio, and top it off with the rahi pere tauraki tio. Set it in the fridge for 20 minutes. Ta-da! Look how good that is. So much fun and delicious. He mahi tino pārika ne. So much fun. Whether you want to do hokey pokey or māngohe marshmallow, they are both super fun and super delicious. And to Jody and Fish and all of your whānau, I hope this is a time of refreshment coming home for you, and I wish you all the best, Fish, that you may come back to health. May God bless you in your healing journey. Kia koutou katoa to all of you. Thank you for watching. Mā te wā. Mai tōku kauta ki tō kauta ki ki ana ki te aroha. Tapahi, cut. Tapahia, cut it. Tapahia ngā pihitāhio, cut the pistachios. Kōwhiringa, choice or option.